Let's make it happen, guys. 2016 Top Strata Baseball. This is 2-box pick your team break. AUGSTRAT105. Everybody's names and teams on the board. Good luck. Let's do it. All right. All right, let's see what we got here, guys. See what we got here in Strata. All right, good luck, everybody. Here we go. All right, first one here is Henry Owens. 92 of 99. Check that out. Very nice. Boston Red Sox. That's Vinny L coming out to you. Vinny L. Very nice. Henry Owens. 92 of 99 for Vinny. And next one here is a 18 of 50 right here. Check that out. Jacoby Ellsbury. All right. New York Yankees. Right there. Arturo V. That's coming out to you. Arturo V. Nice Jacoby Ellsbury. 18 of 50. Nice patch on that one, too. For Arturo. And Brian, I agree. That is cool. That is cool. All right, and the last one here is another Gonzalez. We had one of him yesterday. Luis Gonzalez. All right. Check that out. 5 of 99 right there for the D-backs. That's Charles C. Coming out to you, Charles C. Luis Gonzalez. And then we've got a nice McCutchen. Andrew McCutchen right here for the Pirates. It's Palo S. Last Team Mojo. Andrew McCutchen. That is coming out to you. Nice hit there, man. Andrew McCutchen for the Pirates. All right. All right, guys. It'll do it for 2016 Topps Olympics, Olympic 105 here. Top Strata Baseball 105. Got 2 lists up. 2-box break 105. Let's save that for YouTube.